The second church was built in Wanka, the same in Joko. The third church was built in Lual. And the expansion of Ethiopia Adventist was went everywhere in the corner of the This was not coming alone. There was the difficulties that have been faced. So all of us, I would like to call all those who fast and give the good thing for all the advantage of Ethiopia, even the world. You can thank Red Jochul. We can thank Red Jochul, sorry. We can thank him. Give him a hand. Because he was the first believer. Another is our father and founder of Adventist, Peter Palpano. The third is our elder Ben Pinchol. The other great elder was Garwich Warmachar. Another is Elder Garwich Panwall. The last is Elder Lual Dio. So we can praise the Lord. Those who are alive and the dead depart, we can give them to our father, Pastor Cheng Chut, who is now living in Uganda. We can thank our pastor, Pastor Tempat Jojo. We can thank Pastor Den Lampar. You can thank Pastor Phil Nyepe. You can thank Pastor Tontot. You can thank Pastor Palbot. We can thank our elder Simon. We can thank our servant Sukat Yalwal. We can thank our elder John Notboy. We can thank our elder Moon Luak Chan. We can thank our elder Pop Lok Quip. We can thank our sister Nyamol Peter Palpana. So the rest of you are very good. But let's go to the first elder and pastor and those who are now carrying their activity in our church.